Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this matcha mousse cake. So green. So delicious. Start by adding 25 grams of matcha green tea powder and 110 grams of sugar to a bowl. Mix them together. Pour in 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Lovely. Now heat 300 milliliters of milk, plus 8 grams of gelatin. Give it a mix until the gelatin has melted. Now pour that into your green matcha cream mixture. Mix it all together. And finally, pour into your mould. We've got a lined cake tin here in the shape of a log. Excellent. We're going to refrigerate that for 6 hours. Once it's set, turn it the other way around and sift on some matcha green tea powder. Look at that. Looks absolutely amazing and healthy too. Simply slice and enjoy.